Hello friends, today I'm showing you how to make this easy roasted chicken and potatoes recipe. This is such an easy meal to make on a busy day. It's very delicious and simple. We're using chicken drumsticks for this recipe and we're going to put together a delicious marinade for them. Add some olive oil into a mixing bowl. Also add some minced garlic, freshly chopped parsley. Add the juice of a whole lemon, stone ground mustard. Add some spices including onion powder, oregano, paprika, salt, and black pepper. Add some brown sugar, then mix everything together. The flavor of this marinade is a delicious combination of sweet, tangy, and savory. Toss the chicken in with the marinade, then arrange the chicken onto a baking pan. Make sure there's a generous amount of marinade sitting on top of each chicken. There's going to be some more marinade left in the bowl, and with that, we're going to cut up some potatoes and throw them into the bowl. Toss the potatoes in with the marinade, then add the potatoes to the chicken on the baking pan. Next, place some cut up butter all over the chicken and potatoes, then cover with an aluminum foil. Make sure your oven is preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken and potatoes into the oven to bake for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes of baking, remove the aluminum foil, then bake it for another 30 to 35 minutes, or until the chicken has reached an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit and the potatoes are very soft. The chicken came out very tender and flavorful. The potatoes are buttery soft. This is such an easy meal to make on a busy day. It came out so delicious. If you guys would like to make this delicious roasted chicken and potatoes recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.